Nice.
Where are you?
This is too weird.
Tick-tock. Tick-tock.
Firefly?
So you're really here too? I don't know. In any case, we must still be in a dream. It can't be anywhere else, much less reality. I'm never wrong about the distinctive sense of memoria that's in the air. But this is very different from the sweet dream that I'm familiar with. It's suffocating, silent, uneasy. And these floating words, can you see them too? This kind of place would never exist on Penacony under the provision of the family. So, could this be a dream bubble? No, that's not right. Do you remember, before we were unconscious, that friend of yours said the real dreamscape? I'm not sure. Everything happened so quickly. But regardless, the family must be hiding something. Something about the truth of the dreamscape. And you probably noticed it when you woke up as well. The ticking of clocks all around us. My gut tells me that the secret hidden here is also linked to the mysterious Watchmaker. If it points us towards the Watchmaker's legacy, it will be connected to everyone who has melded to Penacony's dream. Let's go. We have to move. Be it to find an exit, or the truth. Oh, I see. Are we playing hide and seek? We can't get through here. Let's take the way around from the side. You're not. Here I come. Dead end here, too. Given the layout of the room, are they really suggesting we maneuver around using the walls? Can't believe that worked. Tampering with the dreamscape's gravity is clearly strictly forbidden. Careful. There are some strange things on the wall. And they don't look like they're from the Dream Jump Troupe. Mikhail. Find you anywhere. Where are you? Where could you be? This is too overwhelming. The exit is on the other side? How are we going to cross over? Specimen sighted. Liquidation!
Stand down.
It's time.
Commencing research.
Tedious. All will be revealed in lunar flame.
Low risk, high reward. Go Nappy!
Reach the end of the story in your own way.
incredible. This is really a sight that can only be witnessed in a dream. These words have been appearing and then vanishing persistently for a while now. Whose thoughts are they? And who is this Mikhail? It's like I can feel emotions contained within them. Confusion, fear, sadness, and others so faint I can barely feel them. Unyielding resolve in the face of death. Why did you come here specifically? Mikhail, you look like you've got something on your mind. Is it something very important? Talk to me, Mikhail! It's so dark in here. Going? Please. Take me with you at least, okay? I beg you.
Great. The more the better.
That was a close one. But we made it. It's so strange. The family insists that the dreamscape is absolutely safe. There's nothing but a jigsaw puzzle here. The pieces look like they flew to both sides of the room. I will definitely keep it safe. Promise you.
The moonshine on the truth.
The market is unpredictable. Right! Investing in victory means playing the long game!
Stand down.
It's time. Not a scratch.
Confiscated!
Tedious.
The market is unpredictable. Right! Investing in victory means playing the long game! To travel far...
Save your own skin.
Live the truth!
Nowhere to run. Do not concern yourself with the outcome. Mere worldly possessions.
You need to keep yourself safe. This is an origami bird I made for you. Take it with you, Mikhail. This should fill in the empty spaces in the puzzle. It will protect you from harm. finished. Feels like we're reaching the end, right? Just one chest. I'm sure that's not a trap. Should we open it? What's going on? The lights have all turned on. So creepy. But since there are so many doors here, we should be able to leave through one of them. The exact same room? Help! Help me! This again. No, wait. Could it be?
Not with the puck.
Uh-oh. Which one was the original door?
Wait,
The TVs are so bright. It's hurting my eyes. Careful. Something's up. What is this monster? Stick-on links.
Lance ablaze. Lance! Forward!
Easy, Numby. Go Numpy!
Lance at the ready.
To travel.
Straight at her.
Deep breath.
The market is unpredictable.
Right! Investing in victory means playing the long game!
I'm on guard.
Let the valuation begin! Liquidation!
Lance at the ready. Hit! Lance ablaze. Lance! Forward!
All will be revealed in lunar flame.
I'm inside it. Easy, Numby. Go Numpy! market is unpredictable. Lasting victory means playing the long game!
Ready for death.
Lance ablaze. Lance! Forward!
Is there no way to lose it? Go Nappy!
Stand down.
If you don't know the right technique, you might never return from the shadow of death, emerging without a scratch. Easy, girl. I'm on your side. You can call me the Memo Keeper. Black Swan.
Travel far.
All will be revealed in lunar flame. Tedious. Blade of Moon.
Lance ablaze. Lance! Forward!
The market is unpredictable. Lasting victory means playing the long game! Method trip!
Nowhere to run.
Travel far.
Nice teamwork.
The market is unpredictable. Lasting victory means playing the long game!
Lance ablaze. Lance! Forward!
Confiscated!
Stand down.
I'm on guard.
See you next time. Hurry. You're awake, lazy bug. Looks like you had a nice dream. How was it? Did you dream of me? Welcome to reality. More specifically, the Reverie. The safest and most familiar place you can be. I'm happy to see that you've kept your wits and that you haven't been affected by the primal dreamscape. How lucky. I know you've many questions, so please, compose yourself. Before that, you should let your friends know you're safe.
Will of preservation!